This is the ChatGPT Development Kit with all ChatGPT features that you can bring into your own project. Developed for React and Node.js with this multimodal chat for real-time interaction, allowing a smooth conversation between the user and the AI. It also includes web browser capabilities, so your AI can search up-to-date information. Want to write code? You can do that too. With Canvas interaction, you can write code just like Claude and other advanced AI models, but tailored to your specific need. This kit is configured to work with the newest OpenAI model for PDF that can read, extract, and analyze document, even image inside the file. And on top of that, it includes audio interaction and text transcription feature, so you can create a truly multimodal experience. And also, you have access to the newest OpenAI model. But what really sets this kit apart, it is the documentation. It's extensive and meticulous. You won't have to guess how the code works or how to implement any component. Everything is clearly laid out, from the project structure to a step-by-step guide for every feature. You can get this kit by clicking the link on the description or by visiting my website, where you can find all the details about this kit. And if you have any question or doubt, you can contact me directly on my LinkedIn profile page, the AI Developer. But if you want to check the quality of the guide, I invite you to watch this next video, where I show a step-by-step how to implement some of these key features.